I thank the son of late Philip Effiong, General Effiong, for your patience since morning. I think patience is hereditary. Your father was patient with Biafra. Now, we're at a crossroad, but we must be tactful. We must be tactful. We must be tactful. The Igbo man believes too much in universal justice and universal equity. But unfortunately, in the world, no race in the world that believes in universal justice and universal equity had done well. What brought us to where we are today, brought us very down, was the coup of '66. And I have said time without number. In 1966, those young majors who of the Igbo extraction that participated in that coup were very stupid. They were mad. The reason is that in 1966, the Igbos had dominated the social, economic, political space of Nigeria. You had 2 premiers, 3 university vice chancellors, the IG of police, it shall say that the army. You don't plan a coup against government that you are in charge. We went in and lost out everything. Sir, it's like man you query them by Shabia. Okuta na man River State to them the Ukraine na Maya Kahamo Pongweha na Ocheche. O take Rendi Ukraine 40 years after River State, River State. But today I went to Ocheche, the worst confusion won't the Ukraine now the Ukraine. I chup on wine. I be wakwa. Are you getting me? What River State no? I did united as in the Ukraine. I got River State forever. Because I am on record. Ndona Sibo na River State constitute through 72% of the voting strength of River State. But even if you have number, you don't have unity, that number will be useless. The Fulani in Ekwo Nigeria is a minority. In Nigeria, they're a minority. So how come that the minorities are ruling the majority? How come that they're ruling the Hausa? How come that they took over Ilorin? So anytime you complain, you go back and ask question. Why are we not? It's not number. It is not because Fulani is Ubribu, or because Fulani is organization and leadership. And that is what ADF want to offer to Ndona Sibo. Leadership and organization. It's not number. Nowhere in the world can number nache. A man who has 5 children or 3 children can organize his family, rule an entire community forever if they don't think. In Ilorin, in 1837, how did Alimi take over leadership of Ilorin from Afonja? Afonja invited him to drive away Alafin of Oyo. He successfully did it, eliminated Afonja, and enthroned his dynasty. Less than 0.1% of Ilorin Fulani yet that ruling the Yorubas that constitute more than 99.9%. It is our number, our strategy, our number in area. You need number, but you need clear strategy. And that strategy is what ADF and Ohanese and other bodies need to work out. 2, Ana Mario, the biggest confidence Ndona Sibo in Nigeria, and I get Jishi Haki Kewo, Ndi Bibio, Anang and Defik. It is important we go back and read what the British government said about the Efiks and the Anangs and the Bibios in the Herwilling report. The Bibio man and the Anang man is a hard-working man like the Igbo man. He does not envy a hard-working person because he works too. And he found out that even when we're in trouble, they never abandoned us. Therefore, anyị na-alụ ọgụ ka anyị na ndị Yoruba n'aka. I'm not opposed to it. I'm not opposed to Middle Belt, but my concern ndụ a nọ here anyị na ha omejiele jide ha well. That is our biggest challenge. The reason is that if we have them, Yadi united, imeri na anything that is difficult. Two, the Amainebo Kalabare, who supported Biafra as a special advisor to Ojukwu from 1967 to 1970, was sent on exile by Detespif. He died in 1973. His remains were buried at Ikoyi Cemetery for supporting Biafra. They've not returned it today. It's important. The biggest abandoned property in Rivers State, our property onye Igbo, all property onye Ijaw. Nga the Port Harcourt Polytechnic now, and the Polytechnic, wo property Frank Opigo. His private secondary school called Niger Grammar School, he built it. He was the administrator for Yenagoa province. After the war, they seized it from him as abandoned property. I have spoken a lot about Nhemere. The target was not Ndona Asibo. It was to completely destroy the unity of the East. Ndonile na ano namba mmiri bunye anishi ha ndi Igbo. Asari Dokubo is my personal friend. Man ya no na detention. Asari Dokubo wo onye Abam. Aha nna ya we di abale. Aha Asari wo Uzodimma. Masha Hari wo onye ocha Ogwa. Aha ya we Beneme. Briggs wo Kolie. Alabo Grand Douglas wo Koma. And David West wo Suawo. They are all Igbos. It was the war and the way the war ended. They were bound to deny their Igbo-ness because it was the only thing to